Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update Facebook and Android. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first update you need to follow is to open Play Store and search for the Facebook like I am doing. Okay, and click on search icon, and here you can see Facebook, and here you can see the option of open. Because my Facebook is up to date, but if your Facebook is not up to date, you will see, like, let me show you an option. So you can see that my TikTok is, so let me search for the Twitter. Might be my Twitter is not up to date, but my all applications are up to date. But you will find here an option to update your application. So let me select any application that is not up to date to show you. Might be my Snapchat is not up to date. So you can see that here you will see an option of update. Once you click on that option, your Facebook will start updating. So this is a process by which you can update Facebook on Android. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.